What are the only structures formed when butanol is heated with concentrated sulfuric acid? And if butanol alcohol is reacted with concentrated sulfuric acid, dehydration reaction occur, alkene will be formed. So butanol will form 1-butene and it can form 2-butene, and 2-butene has two isomers. This is cis-butene and this is trans-butene. So if butanol is heated with concentrated sulfuric acid, dehydration reaction occurs and three possible products. One is 1-butene, other is 2-butene, but 2-butene has two isomers. One is cis-butene, other is trans-butene. So there are three products.